Hey you lovelies, welcome back to my channel Little Bewitch. I know today's topic is very interesting. It is one eyeshadow palette with 5 different looks, and I know this could be challenging for a lot of you girls, but not anymore. This is looking very much glammed, and some of you like, how will I achieve this? Do not worry, this is beginner's eye makeup tutorial. Yes, I also can't believe this is really that simple and quick and easy eye makeup tutorial. So don't worry, sit back, relax and watch me what I do. And you know what guys, if you regularly watch my videos, by now you should definitely know that I use resources to the fullest, honestly. So I'll tell you about this one. This palette retails for 1000 rupees, and I know this could be expensive for a lot of you girls and could not even buy it. But you know what I do always while purchasing makeup products is in what other ways I can use this, how many looks I can create, whether it is a date night or party night or just wedding season, or could be anything. And this palette is really amazing. Check out 5 different looks which I have created using this eyeshadow palette. And guys, I am literally using this palette and using the best out of it, whatever I can. And I think this could be my go-to palette after nude palette. And we do have coral shade, pink shade, shimmer shades, then purple shade which is dark, and I really like that shade. Also guys, the link is below in the description, so don't forget to check it out. And also you can get this for discount sometimes. I personally bought it for discount. And let me know your favorite look in the comment section below.
So I'm using this Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Coral Sunset, and I am using this dark orange shade, and I'm just putting it inside the socket of my eyes very gently, and then just smudging it to the eyelids. Now repeating the steps to the other eye, just putting it inside the socket and then smudging it to the eyelids. And guys, I'm really sorry for my voice. I know I sound very nasal because I've got cold. Now I'm using this dark purple shade and using a flat brush because this gives a lot of pigment if we use a flat brush, and you can see the difference already. Just starting it with the inner corners and just covering up the entire eyelid with a flat brush itself. So now I'm using a round brush and I'm gonna start softening the edges of my eyelids and the inner corner, so that it's nice and neat and very like soft and gradient. Yeah. So I forgot to tell you that the fallout of this eyeshadow palette is too much, but I think that's okay for me. So now I'm taking a kajal, and I'm pretty sure about it that we all have it. And I'm drawing a line very close to my lash line, and I know this is a little difficult, but you will achieve it. And now I'm taking a small flat brush and just smudging it up. So I'm trying to create a smoky eye look. Again, I'm taking this small flat brush, and taking a product at the back of the product, and just tapping on the black eyeliner so that the lines aren't really harsh. And now you can see the difference already. It is so soft. Also, it is giving a smoky effect with a black eyeliner. I hope that makes sense for you. Now doing the same to the lower lash line. Now I'm using this kajal only to the halfway because my eyes are pretty small. And there you go. Let me know if you really like this and keep on watching. Since there's a lot happening on your eyes, so you can keep your lips pretty much muted, or else you can go with a darker maroon shade or mauve shade, as you can see, and this also looks so beautiful. Moving on to the next eye look, and again using that orange shade as a transition shade, and this time I'm putting out in the inner corner and then going in the socket of my eyes and then all over my eyelids. Using that dark pink shade, I'm putting it inside the socket of my eyes and in the outer corner to give a little more definition and depth to my eyes. Using that subtle golden shade and putting it inside on the eyelid, it is very, very subtle. This looks so subtle that even you can wear it in the daytime, or if it's a wedding, you can definitely wear this look. Now I'm using this nude shade and just softening the edges. I'm just blending out the edges and it looks very pretty. This look definitely need eyelashes, so I'll be back. So you can go with the muted lips again, as the eyes are also pretty much muted, or else you can go with a brown shade, just to give a definition to your entire face. Guys, that really depends on how well you carry yourself. So I'm using liquid eyeshadow and just popping up on the eyelids, and you can do this only if you want. This is totally optional, but I thought that this will just enhance the look more. So the product details are below in the description, so check it out. Now moving on to the third look with the same eye palette, and I think this orange shade is really good for your transition shade. And I'm again using a kajal and just drawing a line very close to my eyelids, and this time I'm creating a smoky effect. So again just smudging it up. Now with a flat brush, I'm using this emerald shade. And now this is the last look of the day. I'm using that muted pink shade and using it all over my eyelids, and I'm really excited for this look. I really love it. So I'm again using a flat brush and picking up the product to my eyelids. So this gives a little more pigment to your eyes, whereas your blending brush will not give you a lot of pigment like your flat brush. Keep blending, because that's where the magic happens, and this looks so muted and I really like the shade. Again using that golden subtle shade and putting it on the eyelids. This time it is little different, so don't worry, I'm not doing the same look. Using this dark pink shade, which is also coral, and mixing that muted pink shade, and just putting it inside the socket of my eyes to give a little depth. And you can see how pretty it is, right? Again, using that pink shade and using it inside the inner corner of my eyelids, because this is just the trend, so why not do it? Again, you can keep your lips muted or you can go a little extra. So guys, this was the last look, and I hope you really liked watching 4 eyeshadow looks using one eyeshadow palette. And let me know in the comment section below if you really like it. I would just come up with such more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up, and I love you.